Hi everyone, we are Stamp and Storage and we are on day 2
of the 16-minute organizational sprints.
And we're super excited to share this next tip with you. But again, just a quick reminder, we are celebrating our
Sweet 16, and it's so fun celebrating with us at the department, but also all of you on social media.
Yeah, we're having a blast with it. And for those of you who have been getting orders this month, be sure to check your boxes because we are putting 16 candles randomly in boxes just as a fun store credit that you would receive. So be on the lookout for those.
Yeah, and be sure to share it on the social media if you got any candle in your box. I know a few of you have done that already.
Yeah. All right, so let's dive into tip 2, which is, Tatiana,
organizing your desk caddy.
And I have my actual caddy here with us today.
You do not need a singular die on your desk caddy. That's the first thing we're going to start with.
That is so true. That's exactly what we're talking about, is taking your caddies and only having the supplies that you use frequently. So you tend to kind of add things to your caddy, I feel like clearly what I think, because I don't know why this is here, but it is real. It was there. But just kind of having those most used supplies in front of you on your desk and not adding extra clutter that you're not using. Yeah. So we're going to kind of go through this and basically just clean up our desk caddy. It's going to be an easy process. You can definitely do this in under 16 minutes.
Yeah, absolutely.
But again, it just kind of clears the area, gets rid of the clutter, so you can just unleash your creativity and not stress about finding stuff or having too much in front of you and feeling overwhelmed.
Yeah.
So we're going to get to it, and we're probably going to talk through this one just because I feel like we need to pull out, like, why is this in here type of a thing. So I'm going to grab this over. So Tatiana, I think the way we're going to do this for everybody is you kind of go through my caddy and pull things out and call me out on if I actually am using it or not.
Sure, yeah. Well, to start things off, we know we do not need this singular die in there, so I'm sorry, Michelle, we're going to have to part with it.
That needs to be on a magnet card somewhere with some Christmas, some Christmas set.
Yeah. All right. What about this?
That I definitely use every day.
Every day?
Tape runner, got to have that in your desk caddy.
Yeah. Would you like to create a pile of need and do not need, and we can put it back in later?
Nah, we'll just put it back.
Put it back? All right. Sounds good. All right. I know we have a few of these. What do we think about these?
I don't use them every day, I'll be honest. Oh, see, this is where it gets a little hard. But I do have a drawer of twine, so it probably should go in the twine, so we can pull that out.
Sounds good.
See, this is where it gets a little bit of purging too, guys.
A little tricky. What about your chapstick?
I do need that. I do need that. I keep it there because it's the only place I remember one.
Chapstick is a necessity. All right. What about this?
Nope.
All right. That was a quick one. All right. This?
I do actually use that a lot because that's my spongy that I use when I just want to kind of distress the edges a little bit.
Yeah.
So I do actually use that frequently. So I would say I would keep that one.
I like it. She has the perfect spot for it too.
I just have one because I always kind of like a little bit of a grunge look on stuff, and that one color I bring in a lot.
Yeah. All right. I know you have a few stamp blocks in here. So do you want all of them in here? Do you need all of them in there?
No.
All
I
right.
hardly ever use my stamp block, guys. I use the big one occasionally when I'm doing some like watercolor stuff. But I always use my Misty, I've got to admit. So I don't need all of those, but maybe that one.
Keep this one?
Yep.
All right. We're going to take this one out too then. All
I
right.
am creating more space to add some other stuff, which is fun.
Yeah, which is really good. All right. What about this?
Yep, that gets used on every single card I make.
Nice. I love it. All right.
It's really funny when someone else starts going through your stuff.
Do it with a friend. Crafty one.
Yes.
Okay. We know we got lots of pens going on in here. What do you think about these?
I feel like those should stay. I don't use them every day, but I don't know where I'd put them otherwise. I feel like pens always should be in a caddy.
That's true.
So
it's a good place for them.
I think those I would say. This is actually my pick tool. I should probably have this with my die cutting stuff.
Sure.
I don't. Well, no, because it has the wax part on the other side, so I use that for embellishment. So nope, we'll keep that.
Okay, keep that in there too.
That should stay.
All right. Put those back in there. Okay. We have a paintbrush.
That is my splatter brush.
Splatter
so
brush.
I use it a lot. So
Perfect.
that one stays.
Sounds good. All right, lots of things in here.
Yeah, I do have it kind of full.
What do you think?
I don't even remember what that does.
That means it's enough.
Which I should probably Google it again because it looks fun.
Glue.
No, I don't use that glue much.
Okay. Make your progress, you guys. All right, what do we think?
I think that was me cleaning up fast and I just threw it in there because it's for jewelry making, not necessarily card making, and I don't do that as much. So
Yeah.
nope, that can
Put
go.
it away. All right, we're making room. I'm going to put all of your pens in the center if that's okay.
That works fine for me.
Awesome. All right. Some things deep down in the bottom here.
No,
All right. We have some washi tape.
Nope, that can actually go with my die cutting station.
All right, sounds good. I'm going to put splatter brush right back in there. I have a few
good.
other brushes here. What do we think about these?
Those are common use blending brushes for like little stencils and stuff, so I feel like those would stay.
Keep them? All right, I'm going to put those ones here. All right, we've got scissors.
Yes, scissors
Keep
stay in the
those?
Desk Caddy.
Perfect. Okay. Tiny little places.
There's really tiny. Actually, those I do use because whenever you have like, say you have like a tiny little paw print stamp,
Yeah.
and you just want to stamp it all over, I do use that.
Yeah? Do you want to keep the two in
Yeah,
here?
those can stay. Those can actually stay.
Sounds good. Well, those fit perfectly in there, so
They do
that'd
fit
be
good.
good.
That's one of the things that's fun about our Desk Caddy is it has so many compartment sizes, so you can really keep everything kind of in a spot.
Yeah. What do you think about this?
I don't even know what that is. That probably can be like trash.
This is enough.
It's like an envelope that I made and I'm not sure why.
We've got some more twine.
More twine. Let's put that in the twine section.
All right, let's put that away. All right. Found some more twine.
Well, let's go.
All right, what do you think?
That I use a lot, again, because of the distressing edges, so that should stay.
Michelle was telling me she really liked this,
I
you
do
guys.
like that. I don't even know if they have them anymore, but I do like it.
Yeah, it's really cool. All right, what about these?
Glue. Yes, my Connect glue has to stay. I feel like I have 3, because you ever run into that problem where your glue's just not coming out one day, and instead of trying to make it work, you just switch to a new glue stick?
Yeah.
That's why there's 3.
Perfect. Sounds good. All right, what do you think?
Tweezers, yep, need
Perfect. Keep that. We got some things that are a little stuck down at the bottom.
those. Which means they probably shouldn't be in here.
All right.
I don't even,
Do we need
that's
this?
where that is. No, I was just trying to put something together, and I didn't know where it was.
Hey, now she found it, and it doesn't need to be in her desk caddy.
Nope, that should be in like a tool drawer with like wrenches and screwdrivers and things like that.
Yeah. Okay, we have an essential oil in here that's a little tricky to get out. You want to keep that in there?
Now that probably should go. I'm not really sure why it's there, and I do have a drawer for essential oils, so it should just
We should
go
put
in
it there. Yeah. All right.
By the way, if you guys have essential oils, the grid storage solution that we have in the drawer works really great for organizing all your essential oils.
Yeah. All right. What do you think?
Yep, that's used
that.
whenever I've got that glue mistakes and I need to erase.
Perfect.
We kind of got through it, right?
Yeah, we got the whole top, and then we're going to keep all of these in here, you think?
Yep, those are all
Perfect.
my paste. So I have a different area where I do embossing for a station, and then my paste you are doing at your desk typically.
Yeah.
So those I keep with my caddy so they're reachable when I'm working.
Yeah.
So
Awesome. Well, that is Michelle's, and we know that you guys can do the same thing at home.
yeah, again, just get those supplies you use frequently within hand's reach, and if you're not using them, it's probably time to organize them in other places.
Yeah, we're super excited to see your guys' progress.
All right, post your caddies below. We'd love to see them. Bye, everybody.
Bye.